Hello guys, good day everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today's tutorial I am going to show you guys different ways to do a slip knot. So this is for absolute beginners. If you're just starting to learn how to crochet, this is for you. Okay, so I have my 6mm hook, so I'm going to use the big one, and this my yarn as well. This is a thick one, so you can see it properly. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin with our tutorial. So your crochet hook will be in your right hand if you're a right-handed person. If you're left-handed, and then you put it to your left, and the end of your yarn, okay, you're holding it with your left hand. And then what you're going to do is with these two fingers, okay, wrap it into the back and then to the front, and then cross it, okay, and going to the back, you're going to hold it with this finger like that, okay. Then your hook will go inside here and pull this yarn at the back and pull through, and this is your slip knot. Okay, so let's do that again, guys. Let's do that again. Okay, so you can drop this off if you want. Okay, drop that off. We hold with our two hand. Okay, so you hold in the front. Okay, so the end of your yarn, you hold it in the front, and then you wrap like that and pull through in these two finger, and then you go cross like that, and this back here, you're going to bring it here and hold this two finger here. It will hold there. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And then you grab your yarn, okay, from this angle. Okay, we're going to insert your hook from the first yarn at the bottom and go on the top of the second yarn, and grabbing the second yarn to pulling it tight. Okay, so that is our first option. And if you can't do it, guys, pause it and then go back. Okay, so another one which is easier for me and I do always, okay, so I wrap in my one finger, I wrap like that, and then pull this up, and from here I'm going to grab this yarn at the back and pull through. Okay, and this is your slip knot. Okay, I will do that again. Okay, the end is always in your left side. Okay, and wrap, okay, from going to the back and then to the front, so it's a crest, okay, crisscross, okay, and then you pull this one here, not the one that we just take to the back, but the first one, you take that, you grab your hook, and insert it inside and pull the yarn at the back and pull through. Okay, so that is the second way. Okay, the third way is you have your two hand, okay, crisscross, and what are you going to do is, so you crisscross like that, and what you're going to do is insert your hand here and pull the yarn at the back and then just pull through. Okay, so let's do that again. Okay, so two going to the back, okay, with two finger, okay, crisscross at the front, okay, and then hold this, and your finger will go in this yarn and pull this one at the back and hold this and pull through. Okay, so that is the third one. Okay, so then if you can't do that, okay, so you circle this like that, okay, and then you hold this up and you grab this at the back and pull through, and that is your slip knot. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, so you have these, okay, and you're just going to make a circle, okay, like that, and from here, okay, you hold this and grabbing this yarn and pulling it tight, and this is your slip knot. Okay, hopefully guys, hopefully this help you. If you have any comments or any questions, okay, leave a comment below guys, and I am very, very happy to help you to start, as I know with my tutorial I don't do, or I don't show the stitches that I do use in my video. I'm like, I think my video is more of people that knows the stitches and people knows how to crochet already. So if you're absolute beginner, okay, and you are watching this right now, okay, please leave a comment below, and I will be very, very happy. If you have any request, if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I will be very, very happy to respond. And I usually, at this moment, I usually reply to the comments as soon as possible. Okay, so hopefully guys, this is very helpful to you, and if it is and you like this video, please hit that like button and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will post a new video. And I'm hoping that I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye.